Did you know that 129 British naval officers vanished in the Arctic in 1845? When their remains were finally discovered, the truth was more horrifying than anyone imagined. The HMS Terror and HNS Erebus had been searching for the Northwest Passage. They became trapped in ice. When rescue teams found the crew decades later, forensic evidence revealed a nightmare. Lead poisoning from their own food cans had driven them insane. They were starving, desperate, but they didn't just resort to cannibalism. They had systematically butchered their own officers. Cut marks on bones showed they methodically carved human flesh like livestock. The junior crew had turned on their commanders with surgical precision. But lead poisoning and hunger alone don't explain this level of organized horror. Something else had taken hold of these men. Something that made them not just eat human flesh, but hunt their own leaders like animals. The Franklin expedition remains one of history's most disturbing examples of how quickly civilization would collapse into calculated savagery.